everyone, it's me Alan again, and I'm here back with another mukbang, and I've got Chinese food today. So today I'll be having some mixed Hakka noodles with chili garlic chicken. So yeah, I got this from a restaurant in my locality, like where I live. So this is not authentic Chinese food, but then yeah, it's all you can get. And for drinks I have some apple juice. This looks like something else, but this is apple juice anyway. And I have normal water with me. And so yeah, let's start. It's really good. I don't know if I should have like the whole of the chicken. It was weird. It's a bit oily, like if you see, like if you see, it's really oily though. But the dish is nice. I'm gonna get some curry out of there and put my plate. I like having my noodles with some curry. Okay, so how many of you can have your food with chopsticks? I absolutely love using chopsticks. Actually, I have been using, or like not even using, like I kind of like really chopsticks or these stuff like really fascinated me, chopsticks specifically. So like I really wanted to learn how to eat with it. So like for like a whole 2 months, like 1 month at a stretch, I had every day whatever I had. I usually had rice, like because Indian household we have rice every day. So I had rice with chopsticks. And every day for 1 month, and that's how I practiced. And so and then again kind of lost my practice, so I got back at it and practiced for 1 more month. So yeah, kind of love using chopsticks. So I don't know from where you can buy. Okay, you can get chopsticks from Amazon or Flipkart, but I actually get these from Xiaoman. Like if you take takeouts, or like if you ask them, they will give you these wooden chopsticks, and I kind of keep them. I keep them for later use when I want to have stuff with my chopsticks. It's really nice. So I keep them for that. So I think today I'll just be eating. I'm not talking. So okay, so I want to put it out there because there are so many of you who don't know what mukbang is. And like, a lot of my friends were like, why are you eating in front of the camera and why should we watch you? See, if this really is such a turn off, like if you don't like this at all, do not watch me eating. I'm not kidding. But if like I just want to tell you what mukbang is, because I myself enjoy mukbang so freaking much, because I don't know why. Like if you like food and if you like, I don't know, like whatever. So basically mukbang is someone who's eating in front of the camera. They can either speak or just eat. And there are sometimes story times along with mukbangs. And there are a lot of YouTubers. There are a lot of YouTubers who have they've like millions of followers or subscribers who watch them eat. So like, I don't know, I do this for myself. Like I really love watching them. So I thought, why not just shoot this? But those who really don't like watching this, please don't. But for the people who don't know what mukbang is, this is just eating in front of the camera. And basically the original mukbang, that's the ASMR, which means like they'll just eat and you'll just be able to hear. They'll probably have a microphone like near the throat or somewhere, or the mouth, so that you can actually hear the munching or the biting and the swallowing. You can hear the sound of everything that's going on inside. Like while they're swallowing, you can literally hear that. So even that's quite like, that makes you so hungry. I mean, it has made me. Yeah, mukbang is supposed to make you really, really hungry. So this was a mixed noodles. So yeah, I've got a prawn here. It's a prawn. Okay, I don't like prawn in real, like in the usual times. I'm not a seafood person, like not the person, I hate seafood, but besides seafood, like prawn, I only have it in like noodles or with fried rice. That's the only time I have prawn. So yeah. Otherwise I really don't have prawn. And I know that a lot of you who are just watching this for my sake, like if you're my friend, because, and if you are, like, and I know there are a lot of you who will not even get past this point, like when I'm speaking till here, they'll just open, watch like 2 minutes of it, I think, and close it off. But if you're watching, if you're actually planning to watch through the whole of it, then thank you so much. I'm very grateful. And if you, like, I just want to say thank you. And if you are, just let me know, just tell me, do you want me to speak, like make some story time, or like make you laugh, say something funny about my life, about my, so today I'll be saying no stories. I'll be like serious and I'll be eating. From the next time I do a mukbang, I want to know if you guys want to see the me talk or just eat. Like I can just eat and not talk, but I'll just want to know if you want me to eat or like talk. almost done. So I like my plate totally clean. So I won't be finishing this because, yeah, I'll be keeping that for my sister. Anyway, so like some of the issues I still want to talk about. If you have watched so far, thank you so much again. And if you still want to actually know what mukbang is and watch some other mukbang YouTubers, then I will link some of my favorite YouTubers down in my description box. Box and yeah, and so just please take some time out and just if you're watching it till the end, if that is so just take some time out and just let me know if you want me to make some story time, make you talk something funny, I don't know, be myself I guess, or would you like me to just give the intro and start eating, which see if you like, which I will eat through all of it. Anyway, like the other time I would still talk. Now I did not talk because I don't know, some of you find it boring or I really don't know what to do, what you guys want of me. So just please let me know and thank you so much for watching. So I'll be posting every weekend because that's when I come home. I don't live here, so so stay tuned if you want to keep watching some of my mukbangs. So yeah, I'll be doing it every weekly, like weekly once, as in the weekends. What am I saying? Anyway, thank you for watching. Bye.